Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this beautiful dip powder nail design using Revel nail dip powders. So let's get right into the video. So I start by applying my Cherael Sky bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone, they both do the same thing. Now I'm applying my own peel off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step. Starting on the index nail, I apply a thin layer of base to the whole nail and then I dipped into the purple dip powder known as Rhythm. I did 3 layers of that and I did the same for my thumbnail. On my middle finger, I'm using flippant and I did 3 layers of that as well. Now on my ring finger, I'm using my opulent glitter dip powder and I did 3 layers of that. In order to reach the full opacity of this dip powder, I had to lay my finger parallel to the dip powder. So that's what I did on my third layer to ensure full opacity. On my pinky nail, I'm using Pro Dip White Dip Powder and I did 3 layers. This nail broke a few minutes before doing this nail design and I decided to leave it like that. I didn't want to put a nail tip because I just was not feeling like doing that. Then I encapsulated the nails with 2 layers of Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied a generous amount of activator to the nails, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. Now I'm applying my Mother One's gel top coat and I cure it for 30 seconds. When the nails cooled down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So let me know what you guys think of this simple design in the comments below. I really enjoyed doing this nail set, beside the fact that the pinky nail broke. But thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!